Take a ride in the 2016 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.